Hello, friends. We had a lot. A dog is come to our house today, and I immediately thought of Blue and Bingo. Let's go to our friends and see how they are spending their time today. Let's put the puzzle together. And I think so. We need lemonade. Yes. Okay. Number 1. We need 4 corners. Corners number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ta-da! Okay. Corners number 1. I see corners, but I don't know where is place for this peach puzzles. This not. It's not red variant. Okay, this. Oh no! Friends, it's not right. And this. Yes, look, friends, it is right. Yeah, cool. I like it. Corners number 2. I see, but I don't know where's that visit corners. This. Oh no! I'm wrong. This. Oh no! And where's number 3? Ta-da! Yes, now it's right. Okay. Corners number 4. Oh no, 3. Yes, corners number 3. This or this? Okay, maybe this. Not. It's not right. This line and this. And I think so. This place for this peach puzzle. Yes, look. Oh yeah, it is the right variant. And now we need corners number 4. We need peach puzzle with 2 side line one side. Oh look, friends, this line and this, and I think so that it's corners and this place for these peach puzzles. Yay! Now it's right. Cool. Oh look, friends, we did it. Now we have 4 corners. Yay! And now we need all peach puzzles with 1 side line. This. Okay. Well, peach puzzles number 1, this with line left side. Maybe this peach puzzles. No, it's not right. Side this. We need this. Oh, look. This is side left and line. And I think so. This peach puzzles. This. Ta-da! It's right. Okay. This peach puzzles with line. Maybe this peach puzzles. No, I was wrong. This line, but we need this line. And maybe this peach puzzles. No. This line, not this. Oh yeah, friends, look. This line and this peach puzzles. And I think so. It is right. Yes! Amazing. Makeup? Beautiful. Okay. Now we need 2 peach puzzles with line this. And I think 1 peach puzzles with line and 2. Yes. This peach puzzles. We have 2 variants. 1 and 2. But I don't know where is right variants. This is... No, it's not right. Or this. Ta-da! It's right, but it is cool. Beautiful. And this peach puzzle is this. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is very, very good job, friends. Good. Look, we have a 3 side with line. And now we need only 2 peach puzzles with line. I see 1 and 2 peach puzzles with line. But I don't know this. Right, Variance, where's this? Maybe this? No. And Variance number 2? Yes! Oh, yeah. It is right. And well, one peach puzzle with one side on, and oh, friends, look! Wow, it's very, very good. It is perfect and good job, friends. Now we have an all peach puzzles with one side line, and now we need only 2 peach puzzles in center. And I see dog yellow color, and I see peach puzzles with dogs, and I think so it is right variant. Yes, look. Wow, what are you doing with me, friends? Very, very interesting. Okay.
Delightful. Hold still, Daddy. Ooh, this would do wonders for your skin. Don't forget the eyeliner. Oh, yeah.
Looking good, Bandit?
Just don't, okay?
Finished.
All right, let's get this dumped. Yeah!
Wow, it is very, very nice day. They beautiful. Beautiful dogs. Thank you, friends. Thank you for your help, for your job, and being enrolling you beautiful puppies. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe and like this video, and see you soon. Bye 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 bye.